Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a birthday glam nude makeup tutorial, and we are just going to jump right into it and work on our brows, okay? And I'm just going in and brushing the brows where I want them before I put the product on there. And now we're going to go in with our primer. This primer honestly makes the skin look super hydrated and glowy, so I love using this. If you guys want like a detailed eyebrow tutorial video, I can do an updated one. Just comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video. But I'm just going in with the concealer now and concealing our brows, and then we're going to get into our eye look. So I used a different concealer for the top of her brows. I wanted it to blend in. So I used kind of like a flesh tone shade for the top of her brows. And now we are going to just brush those out, make sure they're in place, and use our brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Everything will be linked below in the description box. So if you're curious about any of the products, just check the description box below. Now we're going to go in with our P.LOUISE concealer. This is an eye base that I'm just going in with, and this is to prep. Even though we're doing nudes, I'm still going to prep her eye because I want those nudes to pop. Shade first in the crease, and we're just gonna pack it on there. Yeah, we're just gonna build that brown shade in her crease. Gonna pack her lid on kind of like with this muted gray shade, just so we can stay within the nude family. And then for the outer corner, we're gonna go in with a darker brown shade. We want to stay pretty simple, but we are gonna make this glam really refined and beautiful. For the outer corner, we're going to bring that darker brown shade on the edges of the lid. Here I'm just blending out the brown shade so we can get rid of that harsh line. Now I'm just going to stack this muted pink shade on her lid as well, just to bring some warmth back into the lid from a different palette. Now we're going to go in in with the eyeliner. I did lashes off camera as well. Now we're going to get into face, going in with a foundation shade and also doing some color correcting here, and this is for those dark areas, dark marks, anything that needs to be corrected. That's why we use that orange corrector, and we're just going to blend all of that together. Just doing a little bit of contouring around her cheekbones because she has really beautiful cheekbones, and around the nose, and I'll also do above the lip as well and around her forehead, and then we're just going to go through and blend that out. Concealer, and I'm actually using 2 different concealers just to bring out her eyes a little bit more. Then we're gonna go in with our powder. Then I'm gonna add a powder contour as well, just to give a little bit more depth to the face. Adding a little bit of blush here from the Zulu palette for blush. So you definitely can use your eyeshadow palettes for different things. And now I am going in with our lip liner, Chestnut by MAC. Thank y'all so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.